Believe that there should be some cars out today down Burnham on Sea, Western-super-Mare ways. I've heard a few people saying that they might be meeting up. There's a guy called Harvey who's suffering from stage 4 cancer, and I keep seeing posters and little things of people meeting up to get some cars out for the guy. So gonna get involved, gonna fire down to Western, hopefully see who's about, and apparently there's some boys might be convoying down to Burnham from there, so gonna get involved, and hopefully we might be able to see some cars. Right, so we're going out. First convoy out with the kid. Alright, I'll go. Wait there. He ain't gonna have a clue where we're going, so I better go first, don't I? He's on a black box. Right, so we're off down to Western to hopefully meet a few boys from the modified Bristol group. We should be convoying on with them down to Burnham on Sea for this meet for Harvey. Let's go see what it's all about. Still got him. He's been well in tow. Liam over it.
Yeah.
How'd you run it? Yeah, I'll drive it for me. Yes.
And then I can have it flat.
Now you're talking.
Fade. And then smooth.
Look at this. Full samurai knobs out. Right, so that was an absolute waste of time. We're now onwards, just me and Liam, onto Burnham. He's behind me. Let's go. Right, so we just pulled up down Burnham, and it looks like there's actually some cars about. So I'm just gonna make a fag, get out and have a little look round. Now we're talking. Scooter gang. Stunning. Clean as a whistle. Cold or what?
Sorry.
That's right. Actually. Smart, isn't it?
No, the M25 is too small for that. No, it's not. No, it's not. My life. Nice one. And that's before I look at it. That's okay if on the top.
It's not a toy, is it? couple of fairy lights. Oh, it's another solid effort, really, isn't it? To be fair. So me and Liam got out for a bit. Well worth getting out, to be honest. There was a lot of cars out for what I consider and what I expected, actually. All types of things about, lots of Christmas lights, and it was all for a good cause. So yeah, I had a good time. Just out in the drive-through now, about to get some food and head on back. If you stayed with us for the ride and you enjoyed what you've seen, please follow, like, comment, subscribe, share. Let's grow the channel, guys. Let's get it popping. Have a good weekend all. Take it steady. See you next time.